Morning everyone! So nandito na naman tayo. Hatid na naman tayo sa ating estudyante guys. Ito yung ano natin, DIY natin, DIY. Yung pastime natin dyan. Parang hindi na si Christian maglakad guys. Ayan. So time is 8 o'clock in the morning guys. So may breakfast club si Christian. Kaya kailangan maaga kami kasi doon siya kakain. Ayan si Christian naman tayo lang. There you go. Autumn na guys, kaya marami na talagang dahon na naglagan. Say hi. Hi, online titas. Oh, good job. Hi, La. Susana. Ganyan yung style natin guys, no? Kasi makontrol ko si Christian pag dyan siya nakatayo. Grabe hingal ko. So yeah, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog guys kasi grabe yung busy sa bahay. Gusto ko nilang itulog itong mga nakaraang araw ba. Kasi pagod na. Ayan. So pa wala pang tao guys kasi nga mas maaga yung ano namin, yung pasok. Kasi mag-breakfast si Christian doon. Okay, so tired. Maingay itong itong kinatayuan ni King. Maingay. Wala extension yun siya. May sarili siyang gulong. Parang ano siya guys ba? Kalisa. Pero nakaka-help siya kasi hindi siya napagod. Ako yung pagod. Grabing pagod. Hi La! Baby Ailing! Nagano ko yun siya kasi malamig na. Kaya balot na balot niya si Ayla. Lapit na.
Pati ako?
Pati. So here we are na guys. Nandito kami sa bahay. Ayan si Ayla. So muna dito si Kura. Nagstay muna dito si Kura. Para magkape. Yan, pero
Kape na naman ako guys.
ang taba ng Facebook.
Walang kape sa bahay.
Para maniwala naman, no? Parang wala. So guys, mag-ano kayo dyan, mag-like and subscribe para mabigyan kayo ng mga perfume kasi marami kayong perfume na ipamimigay. Yung sa'yo, asikasuhin mo na. Para, di ba, may mga freebies. May mga collaboration kasi kami guys, no? So, yeah. Ayan si Ayla. So, nanonood pala kami ng Naked and Afraid. Yung mga, guys, yung mga survival skills sila, nakahubad sila as in, yes, hubad. Mabuti din si Ayla, hindi siya naiyak. Tahimik din si Ayla. Yan siya. Baby! Ayla, kasi kanina nag-vlog ako kanina. Paalis.
Dami. Puno ang phone ko. Hindi ko pa,
Yung DJI puno yun. Hindi ko pa na-edit.
O, diba?
Ayla. Pero parang sabi ko, kailan ko yun i-upload? Kasi minsan lang yung phone ko nauuna na. Hindi na siya,
Minsan ganun, diba?
Ayla. Mas mabilis.
Mabilis talaga sa phone.
Ayla. Maganda yun sa travel kapag naglalakad kami. Ganun, kasi hindi siya nagagalaw. Ito yung mga buang guys. Oo, tayo nyo. Naked and Afraid. They're very sweet really, isn't it?
Maano sila, strong sila pareho.
Strong.
So, survive talaga itong dalawa.
Big chickies.
Hindi ka tulad ng isa, pagka New York na ay.
So guys, nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Nasundo ko na rin si Christian. Ayan. So guys, nakauwi na tayo sa bahay. Ayan na si Christian. Nasundo na namin. Ayan. So, ito na naglalaro. Give it to me my headset because I need to charge it. Kasi nalobat na ito guys, no? Yung charge, yung that. No, where's the other one? Look, it's gone. Nawala yung isa. Hindi ko na nahanap. I don't know where's the other one. Where's Ayla? Ayla there. There you go. That's Ayla guys. Behave siya kahit awake siya. Behave siya guys, no? Minsan talaga ka naiyak.
Ayla right here.
I know, where's Ayla? Over there. Is she okay?
Yeah.
Nanonood pala ako si Christian ng film. Ang tawag nito? The Godzillas ba yun? Godzillas King, no? No?
Wait, what?
Yeah, your baby Ayla is there. So, Christian, you need to eat now. Yes, Ayla. Naka-brief lang. Yeah, just... Nag-shower na pala ako, guys, no? Tapos, dinala ko dito si Ayla sa taas. Dito siya sa kwarto ni King. kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng iwan doon sa baba kasi nandun si King eh. Yung energy ni King. Grabe yung energy ni King. Hindi pwedeng iwan si Ayla doon kasi Diyos ko, tumatalon-talon sa upuan ba. Tapos may liguluhin si Ayla so he's not really safe na naiwan doon with Christian. So mas inom talaga na bit-bit ko si Ayla pag nandito ako sa taas. Kasi nga, tawag dito, mas safe ba? Habang nag-shower ako, talagang feel ko na safe si Ayla. Like that. Kaya, ayun, bababa kami na Ayla maya-maya. Tapos, brush muna ako ng ngipin ko kasi, tawag nito, hindi na ako kakain, guys. Tapos na yung hapunan. So, alam mo ba, guys, na ginagamit ko pala yung electric toothbrush. Mas ano kasi siya, guys, mas okay siya kaysa sa manual toothbrush. So, ito yung talagang ginagamit na namin kasi nga, mas okay yung, yung cleaning niya, mas maganda, mas mainam kaysa sa manual kasi talagang nililinis talaga yung ngipin sa tawag nito sa electric brush. Nakita niyo yung ni Ayla sa buhok. Nagamit ko pang tali ng buhok kasi hindi ko mahanap yung mga yung mga pang tali ba. Hindi ko siya mahanap so ginagamit ko yung kay Ayla sometimes. Oh, shucks. So, meron tayo guys, may pa-perfume si Dushare. Yeah, pa-perfume. So, mabango ito guys. Ito yung nagustuhan ko. Si Spicy Mimosa. Spicy Mimosa siya. Inspired by the, ano ito? Inspired siya ng Gucci? Not Eileen. Inspired siya ng Gucci, which is really good siya guys. Tsaka super bango niya. So, isi-spray lang natin ng konti dito. Can you come back here? Ayla is sleeping. Wala na, makiat na siya. So, yeah, pahid natin. So, thank you, Dushare. Yeah, Dushare, thank you for this. At saka kapag bibili kayo, guys, may 10% discount kayo. Just click na lang yung, yung 10% discount dyan sa, may link ako dyan sa baba. Tsaka, pa-check naman, guys, maganda ito siya. So, si King, nandun na sa taas. Inistorbo na si Ayla, so, check natin siya. Kulit ni King. Doon siya sa taas, guys. Tulog si Ayla, pinastorbo talaga niya. Wait. Shucks na. Tingnan niyo. Bless me. So, ako, si Christian. Tingnan ko si Ayla. What are you looking for? Tingnan niyo guys. Tingnan niyo ang makulit. What, nandyan ka? Go down. Christian, you got assignment, you know? You know you got assignment? What teacher said today to you when you gave the gift for the Teacher's Day? What did she say? What Mrs. Brooks say when you give the gift? What does Mrs. Brooks say when you give the gift? Is she happy? Is she teacher happy? Kasi binigyan ni King ng gifts ng teacher niya. So, did she happy? What did she say? Why are you not answering mommy? Is she happy? Wala talaga. Walang dila si Christian, guys. Is she happy? Is your teacher happy? Oh my God, what is this conversation?
No.
She's not happy with that gift.
I'm talking, yeah.
Yung binigay namin, guys, yung perfume na Dushare. Is she
I
happy?
like it.
Is she?
Yeah, I like it.
She liked it. It smell nice, Christian. That's what she say. Did she say, smell nice, Christian? Did she say that? Yeah? So, yeah. So, binigyan namin ng perfume yung teacher niya. Yung teacher din niya sa, guys, sa nursery. Tapos, binigyan din namin ng perfume yung teacher niya sa, tawag nito, sa reception. Kaya, tuwang-tuwa din sila.
Yeah.
Halagising na si Ayla.
Yes.
Ayla is awake now. Look at, guys, nagumagalaw-galaw si Ayla sa room niya. Tingnan niyo. Magalaw siya sa room niya. Look, she's awake. But, she's not crying. She's not crying, King.
Another one.
What are you doing? She's crying. Is she crying?
Oh,
Are you talking to Ayla? Be careful, you're gonna fall.
yeah.
Si Ayla, where are you? Oh my God, she's crying. Wala, naiyak na si Ayla. Gising na siya. Kailangan ko ng kunin sa taas. She's awake. Huh? That's very quick sleep, isn't it? Because you disturb here. Upstairs, you came upstairs and then make noise. That's why she's awake now. See? Awi. Wala na. Gising na si Ayla. Hindi ka na. Kita tayo. Iyak si Ayla. Ayla. Baby. Shucks, Lord. Ingay. Grabe ang ingay. You're so ingay. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Okay, come on. Crying. Nagbat na to siya, guys. Wash na rin yung hair niya. Yan ang baby Ailing. Oh, Je. So, guys, nandito na si Christian. Another day to, guys, no? So, tinan si Ayla. What happened in the eyes? Ito. Parang may ano sa mata mo. May something. Kukumata yan kanina. So, nasundo na si Christian. Tatay niya pala nagsundo today. So, kami ni Ayla dito na sa bahay nag-chill. So, hi, Christian. Ang gulo ni Christian. Christian, Ayla, oh, you're hurting Ayla. Ayla's foot, King. Oh my God, Ayla's foot. Look, Ayla is in pain. Yucks. What's that? Ang kulit mo, King. Super kulit. Di ka pa napagod sa school? Dapat nag-relax ka na eh. Dapat relax ka na kasi you're tired. Tama, kainin mo na yung prutas. Come on. Kainin yung prutas na. Kainin mo na yung prutas mo doon, no? Yung prutas, kainin mo na. Kain ba? Eat. Eat is kain in Tagalog. Okay? So, susubukan kong kausapin si Christian sa Tagalog. Sabi ko, kumain ka ng prutas. Ayun, no, nasa lamesa. Ayun sa lamesa. Oh, come on. Ito si Ayla, walang problema to. Walang problema itong batang ito. Hello! Online titas and titos. Hello, hello, hello. Dry skin si Ayla, guys. Kahit na nilolusyonan ko na siya. Lactacid na nga itong, lactacid. Hindi pala lactacid. Lactacid ako ng lactacid. Ano pala, Cetaphil na yung ginagamit ko sabon at saka lotion. Pero ganun pa din, dry pa din. Cetaphil na nga ito, guys, yung gamit kong lotion. At saka sabon ni Ayla, pero ganun pa din. Dry pa din siya. Kahit yung Abino, madry pa din. Hindi ko alam kung anong bagay na lotion para sa baby, ah. Ang hirap. Dry eh. Kaya siya mismo siguro nangati siya. Kaya umiiyak siya sometimes, ano ba, tuwing gabi. So yeah, I try everything. Abino. Ano pa ba yung na-try ko? Johnson. Cetaphil. Pero ganun pa din. Ano pa din si Ayla. Dry pa din yung skin. Yun ang skin ng ating baby girl. Dry na dry talaga, guys. Nag-ano siya, drooling. Nagpapalaway-laway si Ayla. Naglalaway si Ayla. Ano? Natititing na ba ito kapag nagaganito? 3 months pa lang naman yung baby. 3 months pa lang, Ayla. Nagtititing na. Titing na yan. Ay, punas na bibig na. Punas bibig na. I know. Christian, can you give me one happy, please? Uy. Thank you. What about plastic? Slow down. Calm down. Slow down. Thank you. What about the... Thank you. That's all. Thank you, Kuya Christian. So now, it's time to change Ayla nap. Slowly. Okay? It's time to change Ayla nappy na. Ayla? Ayla. Gonna change your nappy, okay?
Baby.
Mama is talking to you. Be gentle, King. King, be gentle, King, with Ayla. Okay? What's that? Show me your teeth, King, be. Christian teeth is already moving, guys. Come on, show to guys. Come on, show to guys. I'm not gonna touch it. Come on. Christian teeth, be? Show, mami. Yan, nag-uuga na yung ngipin niya na isa. Hello guys, naglalaro kami ng Domino's ni Christian. So Christian, ay, meron pala akong kwento guys. Ano pala, yung ngipin pala ni King is natanggal na yung isa guys. Tapos, hindi namin namalayan kung nasaan na yung isang ngipin niya kasi kumakain siya ng pizza, baka nalunok niya ba. So show to the titas guys. King, your teeth. Your tooth is gone. Come on, show them. Huh? So, wala naman sira yung ngipin niya, guys. Pero talagang start na magtanggalan yung mga baby tooth niya. So, yun na una yung sa baba. Bungal na si Christian! Bungal na si Christian! See? Show it again. Oh, no. I know. It's not even. What about the other one? The other one is moving as well. The other one is moving. No. The only one. Oh, it's okay. You're still handsome. It's fine. You're growing, you know, if like that. You know that?
Oh, Dada?
Dot?
Read it.
What are you doing?
Read it.
Building
Reading that.
a very high.
Tower.
Are you stacking a very high? Is that how you play dominoes?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You want me to teach you?
No.
Why not? I know how to play dominoes. Ayla can help you as well. You
No.
and Ayla can play.
No.
Come on. Come on, guys. Ayla gonna play with Christian, guys.
No.
Oh, it's okay.
No.
Sit down. Just sit down only.
No.
No, just sitting down. Okay, you're just watching it. You're just watching. You're just watching, yeah. How you play dominoes. Oh, can your mommy help you? Hey, it's about to...
No.
It's about to fall.
No.
Yay! Ayla can help.
No.
Come on, Ayla can help. Ayla can help. Wow! Very high. Very tall. Oops, there's a tree left. 3 more left. So tall. Wow! Be careful, be careful. It's gonna bar down. What? Yay! Clap your hands! Yay! Very good, Christian.
Like that?
Yeah, let Ayla. Come on. Why not? Come on. Come on, let Ayla destroy it, please. Let Ayla destroy it. Come on, let Ayla destroy it. Let Ayla destroy it, please. Oh, it's not our fault. It's yours. It's not our fault. It's yours, Ayla. Oh, look at Ayla. Naglalaway na.